This video is regarding Canon PIXMA TS705 printer. I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges. First step is to switch on the printer and open the display and open the ink cartridge chamber door. Wait for the ink cartridges to move and wait for the ink cartridges to come here. To open the ink cartridge, simply press the lock and take it out. To install the new ink cartridge, match the color and the alphabet and press it from this side and it will lock it. You will hear a lock sound each time. Close the door and you are ready to use the printer. Thanks for watching.